Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and today I'm back with a tutorial for you, and this is just like a prototype that I made, but I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And what it is it's basically a gift box. Now I've made it to hold 4x4 note cards and envelopes, but of course you could put whatever you want in, and it opens up, it just slides open like this, and then in there is where you will put your note cards and envelopes, and then you will just slide it back in. So really easy, and I think it's something a little bit different, so we're going to make it. Now this one I'm going to do in a Christmas theme, so I'm doing cherry cobbler, and I'm using the Festive Farmhouse designer paper. I love this paper. So I've just got my notes that I'd scribbled down. So you're going to need 2 pieces of card, one's slightly bigger than the other. Okay, so you're going to need, the first one is going to be 10 inches by 6.5, and the small sorry, and then the next one is going to be 10 1/8 by 6 5/8, and we're going to score them both exactly the same. So obviously the larger one, where's it gone? Just put the blooming box down now, I can't find it. The larger one will be this one, and obviously the smaller one is the one that's going to hold your cards. Okay, so I'm just looking for my trimmer. Okay, so we are going to score them both the same. So take any piece, because it doesn't matter. We're going to score the long side at 4.5 inches and 5.5 inches. Okay, and then the short side we're just going to score at 1 inch on each side. And that's it, dead easy. And just do the same with the other piece, 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and then 1 inch on the short side on both sides, like both ends of the card. And that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the larger piece first, which will be the the outside of the box. So if we just fold and burnish. Okay, so we want to cut up these 2 score lines here, okay, and just take just a little notch out. Alright, now as we are going to have another box sliding in here, I think it's best to put these little tabs here in between each other, so they are kind of hidden, if you get what I mean, so that they're not catching when we're sliding the other box in. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. But before we do that, we're going to put our designer paper on, which I've just cut the same. Why doesn't it fit? It never does it for me? I'm always measuring something wrong lately. So it needs to measure. Just check I haven't cut. Yeah, this is definitely the larger piece. So it needs to measure, I would say, 4 3/8 by 4 1/2. So I think I've cut mine a bit too big. So 4 3/8 by 4 1/2. So that's 4 1/2 by 4 3/8. Okay. And we are just going to glue them on like that, okay? And then we've got some pieces for the side, which are 4 1/2 by 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and just glue them onto there. Okay, so now we can pop the box together. So as I said, I am going to glue this little tab into the middle. So I'm just going to pop a bit of glue on here. I think we've got a blockage here. Okay, so just glue that onto there. And then that is going to get glued over like that. Okay, let's make sure that's stuck down, and then the same with this piece. So now we are going to do the inside, which is just exactly the same. Just cut away just the same as what we did before. Okay, and then we can glue this one together. Okay, just the same. You don't have to really worry about gluing the other tab inside if you don't want to. Okay, so this is the bit that the cards are going to go in. So what I've done is I've already gone ahead and made some 4x4 cute little cards and envelopes. There's the cards and just the envelopes. I just followed the envelope punch board, and I used these two gorgeous sets here, which are hostess sets, warm-hearted and hung with care. Really cute. We've got little stockings, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I love that font there, cheers to the new year. So just really simple, but I think they look really pretty. So I've made four note cards, 4 envelopes, and they will just sit inside. When it stops catching, of the box. Now you may get, I think you probably will get another one, so I think it will hold 5 note cards and 5 envelopes. Okay, and then this will just slot into our box. So what we need to do is we need to create some little finger holes, just so. Just going to pop this one there, and then one on the other side as well, and just slide our little inside box in, and there we go. Gorgeous. And then we can decorate the front. I'm going to use the warm-hearted Merry Christmas, and using the largest stitched oval and the largest scallop oval. I've got the stamp here, and I'm going to use cherry cobbler. And I'm just going to stamp that onto the stitched oval. There we go. And then I am going to attach this onto here. And then I'm going to pop it onto the box with some dimensionals. Got any ready? I think these would make great gifts. I think they'd also be good for craft fairs as well. So there we go. Gorgeous little slidey in and out box for your note cards and envelopes. Just slides back in, and there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.